everyone, we're here at the Salad Master office in London, Kentucky. We're getting ready to do a cooking school tonight. Those are free for Salad Master customers only. And in our 15-inch gourmet skillet, it comes with, of course, the lid. We are going to be doing, and it is designed where the lid will hold up on each side of the pan. So if you're right or left-handed, either one, it will hold up if you need to crack the lid for browning or anything. But we preheated the pan. We're doing 2 meatloaf. We're using our Salad Master spatula. This has been browning for probably a good 12 to 15 minutes. And we're just going to lift it over by taking our stainless steel Salad Master spatula. Has the logo right here. We'll slide underneath the meatloaf. I normally put my hand on top gently and flip it over. And we'll do the other one the same. Scoop underneath. Pick it up and flip it over. Now we're going to add some potatoes to that. I have those right back here. I'm just going to drain them real quickly. We rinse those in good hot water because hot water will remove some of the starchy deposits. And we'll just put them all over the meatloaf. We'll cover that back up. And we'll let that cook or bake actually, for probably around another 20-25 minutes. So anyhow, if you'd like to join a free cooking class with Salad Master, just drop a comment in the section below. Thank you guys for watching.